fly. Niggas always dummy, waiting from the empty slide. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no fly. Fuck a wet bread.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tommy here with Sinister Productions with another vlog. So today I am going to be installing a test pipe onto my 1992 Skyline GTST. Right now she has the HKS high power exhaust, which is awesome, but my only thing about this exhaust is it does have a mid muffler, which really really quiets this thing down a lot. So I did order a test pipe. It's essentially just an eBay whatever test pipe. So I wanted to kind of see how it does before I decide I wanted to do. It was pretty cheap. It's like 60 bucks, 70 bucks shipped. So I did want to get that on the car and kind of see if it made the car have a little bit more sound that I wanted, because right now it is really quiet. All right, let's see what we got. Aha, that is my package. Excellent. All right, guys, we are back, and I am getting ready to unpackage my steaming up my package from China, and of course on so essentially I told my brother that I was getting this test pipe and got it from eBay, and he was like, oh yeah, well make sure you you know, put the breather on in case that way you don't get the corona from China. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this package up, do an unboxing on this test pipe, and here we go. Oh yeah, I gotta get ready for this unboxing from my Chinese eBay part, so that way I don't, make sure I got my gloves, my mask, my glasses, so that way I don't get the corona from China. All right. You have to be very delicate when pulling things out of these boxes. You don't want to get the corona. Oh yeah, there we go. See, look, it's even wrapped in plastic, so that way it doesn't get the corona on the actual pipe itself. I should actually have some Lysol around here so I can sterilize this. I don't want to get any on me, you know? So, here we are. My part from China. Autobahn test pipe for my Japanese, a Chinese part for my Japanese Nissan Skyline R32. I'm going to cut this open gently in hopes that the corona is not bottled up inside this plastic. Alright, so my first gripe about this test pipe: why in the hell would you put a bung right here, obviously for like a wideband or something like that, but why would you put it right there so damn close to where a bolt and nut have got to go through? I mean, that is literally retarded. Who does that? That is just stupid. I mean, I appreciate the bung for a wideband later down the road, but I mean, come on guys, really? Alright, so it is getting really hot right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all this crap off, hopefully without killing my glasses. Well, that's interesting. All right, I'm back. So I'm kind of curious, and also they're welded. Why is that like that? You guys seeing what I'm seeing, right? I'm pretty sure that doesn't bolt up that way. Why would it be opposite? I don't know. I don't understand. Well, but anyway, I'm gonna get the car up, get in the air, and look at it, because obviously I feel like this is wrong. Because I feel like the flanges are turned wrong. I'm not sure. Give me a second. All right, so finally got the catalytic converter out. She is, damn, pretty heavy. As you can see, it's not wallowed out at all. Still fully active. This is the test pipe that I'm putting in its place. So we're gonna try that, see how that works out. Like I said, the HKS exhaust hopefully should just bolt right up to this with no issues. PB blaster the shit out of these. Luckily, I know a lot of people have had a lot of issues with having to cut these. Luckily, I got extremely lucky and did not have to cut them. I had to put a lot of shoulder muscle into it to break them loose. A lot of PB blaster, but she came loose. She's a little rusty. Like I said, it's a 26-year-old car. Car's only got 26,000 miles on it though, but man, that was a pain to get off, but I'm glad I didn't have to cut it. All right, so we're gonna move back underneath the car. Let me go ahead and install this test pipe and show you what it looks like when it's done, and then I'll give you guys a sound clip. Hold tight. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like under there now. There it is, if you can see it. That is the test pipe. The catalytic converter temp sensor normally goes into the catalytic converter. It's not an O2 sensor, it's literally just a temp sensor. I kind of just pushed it up behind the heat shield right now until I figure out what else to do with it. It's a little bit of a pain to get these situated. I do need to readjust the exhaust a little bit because now in the back it's pushing it up against the a little bit closer to the bumper than I would like for the muffler. But that's it. I got that all tightened down so that way I'm not getting losing any air by that. Got gaskets on both this side and that side. So she's all buttoned up and I'm ready to start her up. See what the difference is. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Pull this glove off. Actually, would help if I had the key. Got the key to the Mustang in my pocket, but not the Skyline. All right, here is first startup the test light. Probably going to go ahead and take it for a drive in just a minute just to kind of see how it is. I'll load you guys up in the car and take it for a test drive in just a second. Say I don't think there's as much drone, but it's not a whole lot louder considering I removed the catalytic converter. Kind of surprised, actually. Feels like it's actually gained a little horsepower even. It feels a little bit stronger. Boost is right before 1 bar, so not quite 1 bar. Not bad. It's probably like 11 psi, something like that. 11 pounds of boost. Not bad. Random guy in a Mustang waved at me. It's kind of cool. It's a good thing about this car is really cool is like, you know, even though it's not a GTR, it's still a cool ass car, you know, it's still a, you know, right-hand drive Skyline, and people are, you know, people still appreciate it for what it is, you know. It's not like it's not something that you see every day, and not, you know, definitely not something that you're going to see on the road all the time. Which, you know, is awesome in my opinion, but just taking a quick swing around the block, kind of, sort of. A lot less pops and gargles than I thought. I really think the mid muffler on the HKS exhaust is still really restricting it. May end up gutting it anyway, which is kind of a pain because the way it's designed, I really don't want to mess the exhaust up. I mean, this is really nice, you know, like $1,000 exhaust. Turbo seems to spool up a little bit faster, almost like it's got a downpipe or something on it. I'm just gonna kind of make a U-turn. I'm not gonna. Actually, you know, I do need. Nah. I really do enjoy the turbo noises, though. That's for sure. Does seem to spool up a lot faster. I've noticed. Bumpy ass road, man. So I'm a little disappointed that it's not a little louder. I don't know what it sounds like from the outside. I probably should get some video clips of it, like I did before. real good place. There's really no good place to do that here, but got this little stinger right here. It's kind of cute. Curious as to how bad it's going to smell. I know the Black Mustang, when I took the catalytic converters off that, it smelled absolutely horrible. Like if you're sitting at a stoplight, I mean, really bad, really bad. On the move, it's not, I don't smell anything, but I'm sure I'll find out in a second, because I'm going to sit up here for a second and wait and see if I see any residual or smell any residual smells from it. My first plan was to remove the mid pipe or the mid muffler before doing the cat delete, but I figured test pipe's cheap enough. I'll go ahead and do that and see if I like it, and I don't have to touch my brand new HKS exhaust. Let's see here for a second. No, I don't really smell anything. Alright, that's going to do it for this vlog. So far, I think I'm happy with it. I actually did have my wife come out and rev it up for me a little bit while I stood behind it so I could actually get some first-hand hearing of how the car sounds. It's not a lot louder, but I do hear a lot more of that RB inline 6 grunt and sound. It's got a little bit more sound out of it, which is great. Besides that, it's still kind of low key, which is also kind of great. So it's not like loud and obnoxious, but yet it still is it's subtle, but when you really get into it, you can hear it, which is really nice. So all right, that's going to be it for this vlog. Really appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. We will see you on the next one. Later.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to.